Marseille players are training ready to face PSG in Ligue 1, the French Ligue 1. Fantastic training, and here are some of the superstars of this club. They have been preparing to make sure that they bring happy to their fans. Of course, this is just Berry, the former striker, the former back of Manchester United. He played with Manchester United in a good time. Of course, he was one of the best left back of Manchester United squad. Currently, he's at Marseille. Of course, it's one of the biggest team in the world, and it has done a lot in French League. Of course, I've been training here to make sure that they are going to finalize the PSG's list of title, and of course, I know what the quality of PSG squad is. It has so many experience, and they had players. Of course, these players believe and hope that they are going to secure 3.30 points over PSG Football Club. Fantastic, and that's what they just hope right now. And it's just a team which is under the control of their coach. Of course, the coach here gives instructions to this guy on how they can just encounter PSG club, which has a lot of qualities, and of course, the coach himself knows well the situation of PSG Football Club, where they are now